Welcome you all to our today's EVS class. In our last class, we started our 10th chapter, The Sky, right? Dear children, did you study the topics that we discussed in our last class? Okay, very good. Shall I ask some questions about our last topic? Okay, the first question is, what is called sunshine? Yes, very good. The light emitted by the sun is called sunshine. Where does the sun rises? Yes, the sun rises in the east. Okay, my dear little ones, shall we start our today's class? Today we are going to study about day and night. Now we know about sunrise and sunset, right? In our last class, we studied that sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. My dear children, do you know what is called a day? The duration, that is the time period between the sunrise and the sunset, is called a day. Once more, my dears, say along with me. What is called a day? Yes, the duration between the sunrise and the sunset is called a day. Then what will be the night? Okay, let's see. The duration, that means the time period between the sunset and the sunrise, is called a night. My dear little ones, once more, what is called a night? Yes, the duration between the sunset and the sunrise is called a night. Dear children, what we can see in the sky during night? Yes, very good. We can see the moon and the twinkling stars in the sky during night. My dear children, have you understood? Okay. Dear children, look at the picture. What we can see in the sky? Yes, we can see the moon in the sky. Dear little ones, do you know from where do we get light during night? Yes, we get the light from the moon during night. And the light emitted by the moon is called moonlight. Dear children, once more, what is called moonlight? Yes, the light emitted by the moon is called moonlight. My dear children, do you like the moonlight? Yes, we all like the moonlight because the moonlight is very cool and pleasant. Pleasant means enjoyable. Dear children, look at this video. What do you see in this video? Yes, we can see the twinkling stars, right? Dear children, does we can see the stars during daytime? No, right? We can see the stars only at night. Okay, my dear children, have you understood? Shall we read the textbook? Okay, so all of you take page number 57. Day and night, the duration between the sunrise and the sunset is called a day. The duration between the sunset and the sunrise is called a night. Nights are dark and we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. The moon, the light emitted by the moon is called moonlight. The moonlight is cool and pleasant. Stars At night, we see twinkling spots in the sky. They are called stars. My dear children, we finished our 10th chapter, The Sky. All of you should read your textbook, okay? My dear children, that's all for today's session. See you in the next class. Thank you.